Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Overdose 619 and today I did something different sa akin na turn signal. As you can see, yung lahat ng turn signal niya I, I, I remove it and I also tack in yung hinide ko yung license plate. So, yung tail section niya, it looks clean. So, wala siyang nakasabit na at makikita nyo kung anong ginawa ko sa akin na turn signal. So yan, ang aking turn signal. Nag-add ako ng sequential turn signal. Makikita nyo. See that? So yan siya. It look clean. Sa next gagawin ko ay eto din, gagawin ko siya. Sobrang clean yan tignan. Alright guys, I hope you like my video and peace.